Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about something we can all make a difference in: reducing pollution. Pollution is a huge problem that affects our health, the environment, and future generations. But the good news is, every small change counts. So let's dive into 5 things you can do to make a positive impact and help reduce pollution. Let's get started. 1. Close-up of reusable shopping bags, stainless steel water bottles, and containers. Tip number 1, switch to reusable items. From grocery bags to water bottles and containers, using reusable items is one of the simplest ways to cut down on single-use plastics and reduce waste. Plastics are a major pollutant in our oceans and take hundreds of years to break down. By choosing reusable products, you're helping reduce plastic waste and making a big difference for the planet. 2. Narrator rides a bicycle or shows a person using public transportation. Tip number 2, rethink how you travel. Cars are a major source of air pollution and greenhouse gases, so whenever possible, try walking, biking, carpooling, or taking public transportation. These small shifts can lower your carbon footprint and keep the air cleaner. Plus, biking or walking is a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the outdoors. 3. Narrator shows a plant-filled balcony or indoor plants that help clean the air. Tip number 3, green up your space. Did you know that plants help reduce pollution? They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving indoor and outdoor air quality. Adding plants to your home, balcony, or even a small garden can reduce CO2 levels and improve the air you breathe. Certain plants, like snake plants and spider plants, are especially good at filtering the air. 4. Scene of a compost bin and people recycling. Tip number 4, recycle and compost. Recycling keeps materials like plastic, paper, and metal out of landfills and gives them a new life. Composting, on the other hand, is a fantastic way to reduce food waste and create natural fertilizer for plants. Together, these two practices reduce landfill waste and pollution while conserving resources. Plus, composting enriches the soil, which is great for anyone interested in gardening. 5. Narrator shows energy-saving appliances and light bulbs being used in a home setting. And finally, tip number 5, save energy at home. Reducing your energy use means fewer fossil fuels burned for electricity, which helps cut down on pollution. You can start by switching to energy-efficient appliances and LED light bulbs, unplugging electronics when not in use, and being mindful of heating and cooling. These steps can save you money and help keep the environment clean. And there you have it. 5 simple ways to help reduce pollution: switch to reusable items, rethink how you travel, green up your space, recycle and compost, and save energy at home. Remember, every small change you make counts. Together, we can all make a big impact for a cleaner, healthier world. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more eco-friendly tips. What changes are you making to reduce pollution? Let us know in the comments below.